guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this pretty face for the first time, my name is Miriam and you're welcome to my channel. So guys, in today's video we are reacting to yet another Abraham Henrique song. Guys, this is his performance at Americans Got Talent. So I haven't watched this before, but I've seen a whole lot of reaction on it, so I want to react on it now. Let's just dive into the video, okay?
Party for country, tell me where you stay, or where you went. Oh, woo!
Let's have a seat. Oh my goodness. Thank you for being here. I have been wanting to meet you for I don't know how long and hear you in the flesh. Did y'all hear that?
Tem um tempão que ela queria. Ela falou, obrigado por estar aqui. Tem um tempão que ela queria ver você, ouvir você.
Meu sonho está aqui, não estou acreditando.
It's my dream being here. Totally my dream.
Oh my God.
I love you.
I love you. I have been following you on social media forever. To me, you are the definition of why I even wanted to create the spotlight moment. You know, to have talent like you, just give you a platform and a stage, and I'm a fan. You know, like your voice is incredible. Where does your instrument come from?
Da onde vem essa voz? Por que você canta desse jeito?
Eu canto desde meus 3 anos de idade. Meu pai que descobriu isso. E quando eu tinha 3 anos, ele colocou Whitney Houston, Mariah Carey. Aí estava tocando no som. And I will always love you. Aí eu comecei a cantar junto. Aí ele falou, oh, esse menino canta. E tipo assim, aí eu canto nas igrejas, programas de televisão, e hoje estou aqui no Jennifer Hudson.
So yeah, I started to sing since I was 3 years old. So, and my father is a musician and music director, and used to play in churches. And he used to play Mariah Carey songs, Whitney Houston songs. And one day, he started to sing along with this song. And his father was amazed.
You can sing too now.
Okay.
I'll put you on program.
He was amazed, like, you can sing. And then now, as he said, I am here today. It's like a dream that come true.
Oh my God. I mean, what was the note you just did?
O que nota você estava tocando quando você faz aquela técnica bem alta?
I don't know. Não sei o nome da nota.
I don't know the name of the note. He
Do
said.
you think you can hit that note for me? You know, I'm just, he like, what? And who are some of the other singers that you look up to?
And quais outras cantoras quais outros artistas você se inspira?
You.
Oh, thank you.
Jennifer Hudson.
Thank you.
I love you so. No. Oh my goodness. Mariah Carey, Whitney Houston, Celine Dion, Ariana Grande. Oh my goodness, eu tô sem palavras.
I'm wordless. Like.
Oh my God, your voice is like I always say. You want a gift or a talent that like. I'm like, if I could use your instrument and I could sing anything, it would be your voice. I think you have like one of the greatest instruments I have ever heard.
Você tem os melhores instrumentos que ela já ouviu na vida. Uma voz dos melhores que já ouviu na
Vindo
vida.
de você, isso é.
Coming from you, it's.
Eu não sei o que dizer.
I don't know
Você é
what
uma inspiração para mim.
It was an inspiration for me.
And I am telling you.
sit here and listen to you sing all day. Oh my God, I am so in awe of this moment and your talent and your gift. Thank you so much for being here, and I'm so glad you let me know you were here. I was like, you gotta come sing.
Just like she said, like she has the gift. He's blessed, rather. He's blessed. He has the gift. His voice is a talent. His voice is incredible, amazing. Wow, guys, I hope I'm not the only one that loves Gabriel, because I love him. I love him. I've added him to one of my first 10. Guys, his voice is so beautiful. Yeah, guys, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye guys.